Yeah. Some tissue paper to just to practice. Some design.
Suddenly, I thought of myself as some expert and decided to choose this extremely difficult design. I decided to practice. I don't know if it was helpful practicing by pen, but I was comfortable with that, so I first chose to do that. I mean, obviously, the cone and the pencil are two completely different things, but
I think I can do this. Right? Difficult can it be? How difficult can it be? It's hard. Okay. Let me try one of those curly thingies. Oh, no. Again. It's okay. Practice is everything. Okay, it needs to be smaller. Look. Slowly. Yes. God, this looks a little. I can do it. I can do this. Come on. I can. Anything is possible in this world. Anything. I can do this. I can do better. I don't know. Okay. Next. It's like these lines are so thin. I'm now getting these thin lines now. What the hell? My lines are not even close to their lines. I need to do these here.
doing this was very addicting for some reason because I just couldn't stop myself from doing it. It was like putting eyeliner, you just keep doing it for some reason. I hope it was not that bad. I like this one actually a lot. Yeah, I decided to do for my legs because I just couldn't stop myself, and I could see another fresh canvas that was my legs. So yeah, I just went ahead and did this. I probably shouldn't have done for my legs, but no.
so. This actually looks really pretty, only if it was dark.
Please like and subscribe. Please, 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 please.